Yo, what's good? It's your boy Wolver. Today, we're stepping into the shadows. We're not just talking about crypto, we're hunting in the deep ends of the blockchain. I'm about to show you exactly how BIP39 seed phrases get generated and scanned at machine speed. No theory, no fluff, just raw execution. Let's lock in. The setup. Before we even hit run, you need to understand what you're looking at. This isn't some weekend script thrown together with duct tape and hope. This is architecture. This is precision engineering. Every line of code serves a purpose, every function hits hard, and every module connects like clockwork. I've spent months refining this beast, testing, breaking, rebuilding, pushing it to the absolute limit until it became what you're about to witness. A seed scanning machine that doesn't just work, it dominates. And now, you get to see it breathe. The interface comes alive. Look at this. Clean, modular, absolutely dangerous in the right hands. This isn't some basic command line trash where you're typing blind into the void. This is a full graphical user interface built with tkinter. Lightweight, but nasty. It gives you complete tactical control over the entire scan operation. Every setting, every toggle, every switch. It's all right there, waiting for your command. You see those buttons? Auto-scan, generate wallet, multi-chain switching. That's not just functionality, that's firepower. One click, and this machine starts marching through the blockchain like it owns the place. And the way it updates in real time? Smooth, responsive, no lag, no stutter, just pure, uninterrupted performance. You can literally watch the addresses roll in, watch the system querying chains, watch the results stack up like dominoes falling in slow motion. This isn't a tool, this is a weapon. Under the hood, where the magic happens. Let me take you deeper. Pop open the File Explorer and look at what's really going on beneath the surface. This isn't a single script, this is an army. Dedicated handlers for Ethereum smart contracts. Solana integration at the protocol level. Bitcoin. API connectors hardened for speed. Everything modular, everything optimized for maximum performance. I'm running this inside a virtual environment to keep dependencies like Web3 and Base58 tight, clean, and untraceable. No bloat, no unnecessary baggage, just the essential components, stripped down and ready to strike. The heart of this beast? Entropy generation at the cryptographic level. We're not guessing. We're not gambling. We're creating mathematically secure seed phrases using the exact same standards that power hardware wallets. Ledger, Trezor, doesn't matter. This bot speaks their native language fluently. Every seed phrase is derived through proper BIP39 protocol. Every address is generated using the same hierarchical deterministic paths that the entire crypto ecosystem trusts. We're not cutting corners. We're not taking shortcuts. We're building on the same foundation that secures billions in assets. And then we're scanning that foundation, one seed at a time. The multi-chain assault. Now look up here at the network selection panel. This is where most scanners meet their grave. Single chain trash. They hunt one blockchain and pray. But the crypto world isn't single chain anymore, is it? It's a multiverse. Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, Polkadot, Kusama. They're all running in parallel, all holding value, all waiting to be explored. Most tools can't handle that. They choke, they crash, they burn out trying to keep up. Not this one. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Kusama, Solana. Toggle them all at once. Watch how the interface doesn't even flinch. This bot doesn't hunt one blockchain. It hunts the entire ecosystem simultaneously, casting a wider net than anything you've seen. Cross-chain recovery, educational research into the mathematics of probability, or just flexing on everyone who told you it couldn't be done. The choice is yours. And here's the craziest part. Each chain gets queried using its native protocol. Bitcoin talks to Blockstream. Solana hits the mainnet RPC. Ethereum pings archive nodes packed with historical data. This bot doesn't just scan, it speaks blockchain. Pulling the trigger. All right, enough talking. Let's do this. Hit Start Auto Scan. Boom, look at that. The interface just woke up. And it's hungry. Watch the current wallet display. You see that rolling text? 12 words, 24 words. They're flying by like a cryptographic waterfall, each one generated in real time from pure mathematical entropy. Behind the scenes, the back end is creating valid BIP39 seed phrases at speeds that would melt lesser machines. For every single phrase, the bot derives public addresses for every network you selected, at the exact same millisecond. Bitcoin gets its address. Ethereum gets its address. Solana, Polkadot, all of them, simultaneously, no delays, no bottlenecks. Now look at the scan results window. Those logs. That's live API pings firing across the globe. The bot reaches out to Blockstream for Bitcoin. Ping. Hammering Solana mainnet RPC. Ping. Querying Ethereum archive nodes. Ping. Each request is a question asked directly to the blockchain. Does this address exist? Has it ever been touched by human hands? Is there a balance waiting to be found? And the blockchain answers. Every single time. No hesitation, no mercy. Some responses come back empty. Addresses never used, never funded, ghosts in the machine. But every now and then, a hit. A wallet with activity, a balance, a story. And when that happens, the bot logs it instantly, flags it, and keeps moving. It never stops. It never sleeps. It just keeps hunting. The scale of what you're watching. Let me put this in perspective. You're visualizing the astronomical scale of the blockchain address space. There are more possible seed combinations than atoms in the observable universe. More addresses than grains of sand on every beach on Earth. The numbers are so massive, they stop making sense to the human brain. And yet, here you are, watching this bot march through them, one by one, non-stop, while you sleep, while you eat, while you live your life. It's beautiful, it's terrifying. And it's the ultimate reminder of a truth that never sleeps. Your seed phrase is the key to your digital empire. 12 words, 24 words, that's it. That's all it takes to unlock everything. Guard it with fire. Guard it with your life. Because out there in the darkness, bots like this exist. And they never, ever stop hunting. Want to join the Legion? Want to study the code yourself? Tear it apart. See how every component fits together. The Telegram link is waiting in the description. That's where the real ones gather, where the knowledge flows, and where the boundaries get pushed. We share, we teach, we build, and we never stop moving forward. Final words. Thanks for watching. Thanks for locking in. Thanks for having the curiosity to look beyond the surface and ask the hard questions. Stay dangerous. Stay encrypted. Keep learning, keep exploring, and never let anyone tell you that you can't understand this space. You can, you will. And when you do, you'll see the blockchain for what it really is. Not magic, not mystery, just math. And math always plays fair. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and join the movement. Because in this game, the ones who know win. Wolver out.